Hey everyone, it's Alex with alextucker.ca, and this is just going to be a quick tutorial to demonstrate how to create a direct download link to a file that's being hosted in your Google Drive. Now, this will work whether you're using a free Gmail account or whether you're using a professional G Suite account. But if you're going to give a download away to any more than like a few dozen people, if you're expecting to get hundreds or thousands of downloads, then I really do recommend getting the either buying storage or getting a G Suite account so that you can support those kinds of downloads rather than expecting Google to do it for free. There are a number of other ways that you can provide downloadable files, but Google is a very secure and popular way of doing it, which is why I use it, and I use a professional G Suite account. But I'm actually demonstrating it in a free Gmail account that I use for testing purposes. So take that with a grain of salt, I guess. And I just want to give a quick shout out to the GrooveFunnels Facebook group, because while I'm going to put this video on YouTube, I'm also probably going to put it in there, because I know that a few people have been struggling with looking for a way to provide digital download files, and that's what I'm going to show you right here. So I'm in a brand new Gmail Google Drive account, and so I've just created a folder which is called giveaways. So I'm going to go into that folder, and in here I have created a docx file. So the way that you do that is you just go to new and then click on Google Docs, and then you just name this, call it my doc, put some texty text in here, and now you have a document that you can use as a giveaway. And you can give this away as a docx file, or you can do what I usually do and create a nice PDF out of it. But it doesn't actually, you can't actually create a direct download link out of a file that's created in Google Drive. You need to first download it to your computer and then re-upload it into Google Drive, and then get the share link, and then you can create a direct download link. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So let's say that we want a PDF of this file. Now again, we just go to File, Download, and then you can download it in any version that you want. I'm going to take a PDF, and I'll say Save File. You can see I've already done this once. And I'm just going to close this, and here's my folder. There's my downloaded PDF, so I'm going to click and drag that back into my drive, and now I'm going to right click on the document that I just uploaded and say share, and then I'm going to see how it says restricted, only people added via email can open this link. And I'm going to say change to anyone with the link, and I'm going to leave it as viewer only, and then I'm going to copy that link and say done. And that's how you get the initial download link. Now I could use this, and that would technically be okay, but there's an issue with this, because if you use it this way, then anyone who clicks on this link is going to come to this. They can see any comments that are posted on it, and they can see the URL, which you can't probably, because I'm going to cut that part of the screen off. But right now, anyone who you send to this page can see the URL, they can copy it, and they can give it to other people. So they can basically redistribute your download, and you don't want that. So I'm just going to come back here, and I'm going to pull up this Word file, or this Notepad file, to show you what I'm going to do here. So this top link is a share link, and this bottom link is a direct download link. So here's my new share link. Looks the same, right? What I need to do is I need to take this section from the number 1 to the letter P, which is the file code, and I need to put that into a link that looks like this link. Okay, so I'm just going to actually type it out really fast for you. So it's https://drive.google.com/uc?export equals download, and ID equals, and then you have the code. So I just need to get that carefully without clicking on it. So I guess I'll just delete this. That'll make it easier. Get this code, put that here. And now I should have a direct download link. Let's see if this works. I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to come back to my other browser and paste the link in here again. And there you can see it actually created a direct download link. So rather than accessing the file, they just get a link to where they can select to download it or not. They don't get to look at it in your drive. So I know that might be a little bit intimidating for some people because it's a little bit code-ish. You have to kind of, get in there and modify some gibberish, basically. So there is actually a tool that you can use to do this. I don't like using it myself because I don't know who created it, so I don't know everything that it does necessarily. But I will show it to you, and I'll provide the link down below in case you want to use it. But full disclosure, I don't know who created it. But it's this Google Drive direct link generator. So all that you do is you put your sharing link in here, click Create Direct Link, and then you copy this. And as you can see, it's going to be the same as the one that I manually created. Not this one up here. So that is how you create a direct download link for your Google Drive file. And so basically now this file is downloadable via that link. And you can use that anytime that you're trying to provide a digital download. To me, kind of the best way to do it is to use an email marketing service to email the link to them after the fact. So if it's like a free download, then you send them to a thank you page that maybe has an upsell on it, and you email them the link to the digital download. So anyways, that is that tutorial. It went on a bit longer than I wanted it to, but I also wanted to provide some complete information. And let me know, drop me a comment, whether it's on YouTube or Facebook. Just let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this serves you well, and good luck out there.